what's up, everybody? Yo, what's up, everybody? And it is on A time. And I'm gonna punch you when we're in the middle of a game right now. Let's go. No. He should die. He's freaking the worst person in the world. Yeah, won. No, I didn't. Dang! Let's play again. This is fun. We're playing hide and seek, I'm pretty sure. Well, my name is Aiden, and this is my third video, and yeah, I'm so weird, I know. And I love playing Minecraft. Okay, we're playing again. I just itched my hair a little. Yeah, so it's a little weird. I'm under a light right now. I'm gonna set myself up higher if you guys can see that. Okay, I have to just wait for this to load. Okay, here we go. Oh crap, I'm not even ready. Okay, let's see this. Where's... Yeah, so my technique is to just keep on moving like this. Like go side to side to side. I'm really silent. Where is this girl? Here she comes. Yo, get off of me, boy. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off me. I'm running away now. Ah! No. No. Okay, this game's getting boring. I'm gonna stop it. And I think I'm gonna play Skywars. Yeah. Okay. So my name is A10. We gotta play some Skywars, and I'm like the best at Skywars. See, pretty sure. I don't even know which one it is. So for Skywars, look at this. Look at this. Somewhere. Look, 305 team kills. Solo kills 35. Solo wins 4. Oops. Team wins. So let's go solo normal. Okay, so my name, I already said that. Minecraft! No. Okay, here we go. Getting ready. Now, my technique is just to rush right away. Ah! Poopy! Pants! No. Let's play again. Where's the towers? I'm like the best at that one. Tundra. I'll just do this one. And yeah, it is at currently 7:30 right now. Watching SpongeBob. I'm gonna get one chest and that's it. Let's see my kits. Yeah. Let's grab some of this. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. I'm probably gonna die. Somebody's already there. Oof. Knew it! I knew it! I called it! Yeah, this time I'm just gonna hide. I'm just gonna hide in my base and build a huge wall. And we're gonna be building a huge wall! I'm Donald Trump. Okay. Hey, I got a golden apple. That's actually okay. Now, maybe I'll get something good. Nope. Boom. Boom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just build a wall. Cause I like building walls. So we shh. I'm gonna do some layers, and I'm gonna have like one block. Oh crap! And I'm just gonna open a little airlock. I can't see anything. Oh crap! I broke. I'm actually winning right now. There's 4 players left. I just need some light, so I'm opening this up. Oh crap! Somebody's coming. Oh what? That was so close. You guys saw that. You guys saw that. You guys saw that. That was stupid. I would have won that. Am I on? Can you hear me? Okay. Here we go. Should have done night kick. Wow. Oh, I just fell. Oops. I'm gonna switch to this now. Which one has more attack damage? This 7.6, and this only does 6.9. I'm so stupid. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I have one more chest right here. 2 corn apples. Okay, I'm gonna golden apple. Cause here comes some dum dum. I'm like the slowest builder in the world. Yes, that was him. Yeah, I got my stone sword. How did I die? Here, 1 second. I'll be. Yo, guys, I'm back. That I don't know what I did, but I'm gonna play one more round for you guys. Hopefully. And no. And here we go. I hate this one. Not me. That guy's gonna rush. I'm gonna rush too. See a chest. This is gonna be the best round there is. I'm gonna win this. I think I die right away. Okay, I'm gonna play one more, and that's it. This is my last round. Ready? I don't wanna be with you. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna win this. Let's grab that and boom, I'm heading off. One more chest. Okay, oh, yes, that guy was gonna kill me. But I killed him. No, I didn't. Just kidding. Let's see. I hate parkour. Might be a 10-minute video. I feel pretty proud of myself. And seriously, there's no chest up here? Oh, crap. Dum-dum, get off of here. Get off. Get off, boy. Get off. Oh, well, see you guys. Hope you guys liked this video, and peace out.